how to add clickable link in Instagram Reels. Have you ever wanted to add a clickable link to your Instagram Reels but weren't sure how to do it? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a clickable link. First, let's open the Instagram app and swipe on plus icon to start creating a new reel, or you can simply swipe right and you can tap on the reel button. You can select a video from your gallery that you want to post, or make sure your video is ready to go. Now once you've done that, here's the trick. On add a caption, here you can simply add or paste the clickable link over here like this and click on OK. Now after you post this, everyone who watch your videos and tap on the link can simply go to the link where your link sends. Now that's it. That's how you can add a clickable link to your Instagram reel.